Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers Survey Outlook at 5 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers Survey Current will be released at 5 GMT. Japan's Money Supply M2 plus CD at 23:50 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23:01 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
China's foreign exchange reserves rose by a less than expected $3.6 billion in May, official data showed, as the dollar continued to weaken against other major currencies. The country's foreign exchange reserves, the world's largest, rose 0.11%. Gold prices slipped more than 1% on Friday after a stronger than expected US jobs report dampened hopes for imminent Federal Reserve rate cuts this year, while silver soared to its highest level since 2012. Federal Reserve policymakers have already signaled they are in no rush to cut interest rates, and a government report showing the labour market is far from crumbling amid big trade policy changes only cements that stance. US President Donald Trump ratcheted up his calls for rate cuts.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.9% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. After a 3% dip during the last session, the oil-dollar pair closed 2.3% in the green. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.